Windfall, wonderful audience. We run, we win. This is the CHEEZ-ITS grooves. Loaded, cheesy taco. I've always enjoyed, what's his name? CHEEZ-ITS grooves are my favorite CHEEZ-ITS. And so, yeah, looks they got the good fats in them. Ooh, going down. Kellogg's. Huh, Kellogg's owns the CHEEZ-ITS. I didn't know Kellogg's did that. Craving a cheesy, crunchy taco with all the toppings right at your fingertips? Yes, we thought so. Well, I really wasn't. But the 100% real cheese fiesta has an epic burst of flavor. Blah, 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 blah. But that's my favorite. I've always enjoyed. No, it's not. Sharp. That's sharp white cheddar. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's get open this. Food be nourishment to our bodies. Jesus Christ is Lord. Sorry, let me know if you they pack like Lay's. That's why this is like half the bag. Food be nourishment to our bodies. What's his name? Hey man, ooh, they really smell like tacos. I can actually smell the tacos once I opened it. See if we get a little close. Ah, you see a little green and red. Pretty neat. Green, you can see a little bit better. Ah, let's try it. The smell is really good. They taste like cheap burritos. Yeah, tastes like cheap burritos. But there's something Mexican elf in there. Oh, well, that's about it. You know, like those burritos that you get from the store and don't have hardly any meat in them whatsoever. That's about what they taste like. But yeah, that's about it. Live, move, be.